My name is Laurence Stefan. I'm the CEO of Macusani Yellowcake Inc. We are a Canadian company listed on TSX under symbol YEL. Our main asset is the large uranium prospect on the Macusani Plateau in southern Peru in the Puno department. It's an area that was discovered as a result of intense exploration running by the Peruvian government and the British Geological Surveys early in the 1980s. At the moment that we've been involved with a lot of other companies in the area from 2006, exploration intensified, and we can say that actually by the end of last year we've been able to identify more than 63 million pounds of U3O8 in the ground. Yes, 2013 I think it was the year when we've been able actually to, I would say, break the bone of the project. We've been able to bring to a large number our final resource. As I said, we started the year with about 23 million pounds in the resource. Now we have about 63. We've been able to push a lot of that resource into a higher category, measured and indicated. Half of it's almost inferred. And as a result, we've been able to finalize a preliminary economic study, a PEA, using the services of two reputable international companies, GBM based in London and Wardell Armstrong International, another UK-based corporation. The resource was calculated by Mineral Corporation of Johannesburg, South Africa, and the PA demonstrates clearly that the project is economic. We can produce, in principle, uranium at $20 a pound, which is very good considering that most of the producers, they are ranging well above 40, 50 or even higher. And at a long-term price of about $60 to $65 a pound, the project has a very positive NPV, well above 700 million threshold. And this is based only on the existing resource to date of 63 million pounds. But we believe that we can probably double or even triple the resource with the right capitalization over the next couple of years. Actually, they did. Most of the management team has able to purchase shares in 2013 and not so much in 2014. We have some restricted conditions. And in principle, we believe that the uranium market starting having legs, and we see it probably a brilliant future, not necessarily for 2014, but definitely as a result of the shortage happening in the market, we believe that uranium price should look much higher in 2015 and definitely in 2016. Look, a preliminary economic assessment study, it's an instrument, it's an economic instrument, it's a financial instrument that some people accept, some others do not in terms of evaluation of the company. And it's based on the fact that the resource is not all of it in a superior category. Our intention is definitely to push it to a better category, indicated and measured, and as a result, we'll be able to transfer the preliminary economic assessment into a pre-feasibility study. That will probably be done with the help of the same companies that the engineering and mining, that resource evaluation that we've been able to use in the past. We intend probably to use other companies to increase the credibility of our company. And the PFS, we hope that starting this year will probably show a very, very good results in 2015. We don't have a date yet. We are expecting actually for the uranium market to improve, but the reality is that we cannot be much better than the market that we are in. We do believe that the moment when the uranium price will start moving higher, our stock should probably move much higher. At the present, we are valued at about 35 cents a pound. We are moving slowly into the developers category, and we hope that we'll be able to make steps to evaluate our resources in the ground at $0.50, $1 or even higher, meaning that actually our market cap should probably move well in above $50 to $60 million. Much better, much better. As a person who lives in South Africa, I was at the Indaba about 1 month ago, and I can tell you that actually it was not a very happy environment, you know. It was a very good meeting, and it was a very good gathering of professionals from all over the world, but the atmosphere was quite negative. Only 1 month passed, and within that month, I can tell you that actually the price of the commodities moved much higher, not only on the precious metals, but also on the base metals. We have uranium and zinc that actually moving much better. And actually, let's hope that those two commodities will be able to push all the others from behind. I would say that the atmosphere at PDAC is much better than last year, much better. And we do believe that if the commodity price would increase, hopefully 2015 will show even probably better returns on our investment. I think it was a very good professional gathering this year. You can see that the atmosphere is quite animated. And let's hope that actually to land on the same high status as it started.